So today I had another update from Litchi Pilot. So the new one now is the Litchi Pilot 1.00 beta DJI 430. And this time there's a few more things on there. It seems each week now I'm getting more and more updates. Anyway, I've got to make it quite clear from the beginning, guys. The Litchi Pilot is still not public yet, especially for the Mini 4 Pro. It's been quite a while now. I've been trying them out week by week. I can't see a huge amount of difference on the screen. And this is the first time I've come out, because obviously I only had it about an hour ago, come through on the email. I've just loaded it up onto the tablet. So I'm going to be using my RCN 3 tablet. Now I could use my RCN 2 tablet. I've got my Samsung Galaxy Tab A7, I think. Anyway, I'll put that there just in case, because I get a lot of people asking me what the tablet am I using. So in this update, which wasn't obviously last week, was the portrait. It's a bit windy, but it's the only time I can get out, because tomorrow it's going to be pouring with rain. So I won't be doing the waypoints thing, so guys, because the waypoints hasn't changed at all. But anyway, they've got portrait mode, which obviously you can get on the Mini 4 Pro. The camera storage settings, we'll check that out. Auto record camera, we'll check that out. The added bottom light settings, now don't know what that's about. The added compass status calibration setting, that's a big one, isn't it? And also last week they said that you could have a dramatic home point. Anyway, on this one it's got the home point can be dragged to a new position on the map, so we'll be trying that out as well. And obviously there are some bugs to fix as well. And like I said before, guys, I'm just a beta tester, and some of the things, because they don't give you no instructions, they just send you the update and just tell you what I've just told you, really, what's on this latest update. But anyway, I've already checked it. I'll make sure, as always, when you do an update, make sure everything's going to work, because the last thing I want to do is come out here, put on the Mini 4 Pro and nothing happens. So I checked it back at my basement. Everything was working. So let's see what happens. So what you can see now is what I can see on my screen. So the Mini 4 Pro is already on. So if I make that screen bigger, so there you can see it. Home point has been set. And the home point has already been set now, which is good. So can you see anything different on the screen? So the first thing I can see, anyway, let's get a drone up in the air first. Okay, I don't need the drone to be up too high. So one of the first things you're going to notice, above the zoom, you've got the portrait mode, so I can tap on that. Hang on, that was the focus tap. So there you are, you've got the portrait now. So all you social media fans out there, you can do that on your Mini 4 Pro, which obviously you can already do on your DJI Fly app. I can put on the zoom. There's the zoom 3 times. So we're back to the normal one. I can put that back into landscape. We can do the zoom again. That's on twice. There's it on 3. Okay. Put it back to landscape. Getting a bit carried away now. Okay, so where the record button is on the right, if we just press above it, we've now got a choice of either video or camera. And if you notice, we've got normal, we got night setting, and we got slow motion. That's on the video, obviously. Now if we tap onto the camera, we've got normal, AEB, we got interval, we got the bursts. Okay, so that's good to know. I think that was there previously. Now if you notice at the top of the screen, we've got the camera settings there. Now at the moment I've got it in auto. If I wanted to put it into manual, then I can change the settings there if I needed to be. I'm going to put it back into auto for the moment. Now above that as well, you've got your settings. Now on the settings, it's got general, and you got the units, dramatic home point. Okay, so I can remember last week that was, obviously missed that out. Hang on a minute, I'm just going to move my record button. Seems to get right. So my dramatic home point. So I've got that on now. What else we got on there? Now somebody asked me about would it look after your flight records. Now on Air Data UAV, mine's been disabled because you've got to pay for it. But for you that's got the Air Data UAV, yeah, that will do your flight records. So we come back out of general. We got the drone. We got tells you about return to home, signal loss, go home, smart return home, obstacle avoidance is on, collision mode. We got it on brake. So we got a few more things here now. Right, now I see what they're on about. Bottom light. So I presume that's the light of the drone. I'm going to send the drone up a minute. Just going to send it back a minute. I just want to check that. Okay, so that. Okay, I got mine on auto. I think if I just turn it on a minute, just sit. Oh, right, is that on? Yeah. So the light's on, but I'm going to put it back to auto. Okay, so I'm understanding some of these terms now. What else we got? We've got compass, normal. We can tap to calibrate that. So obviously these are the things that's probably been going on there. What else we got? Camera. Okay, we got storage location now. We can format it. Auto record. Okay, so that means as soon as the drone takes off, okay, we'll do that. We'll have that on as well. So, okay. Let's put it back onto video. Right, so another thing, supposedly, if I bring up the map a moment, I can change the home point. Is that right? I can move that around for some reason. What I don't want to do, I can't see really on the map where I am. So I think I'll check that out on a later date. I think, to be honest, I've covered it all. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to put the map back up. Okay, so what I am going to do, I'm just going to try out the follow. We're going to have a problem with the follow the other day. Okay, we're just going to try it. Just going to try the follow. Okay, I'm going to put on the follow. Okay, so start. Right, is that following me? Got the home point come up on the map. That's interesting. I don't think it's following me, is it? No, let's do that again. Right, switch to lock. Let's do the follow. Okay, so let's bring. I think what it is, I need it. It needs to be higher for them. I noticed last week when I was doing this. Okay, so let's see if I can get that. Okay, let's put the focus track on me a minute. Can I do a box around me? No. So the home point's still showing. Now last week I got this to work, but for some reason it's just not working. That's what I mean, it's still not enough information on how that works really. I don't know if you can hear, he's struggling. Just to inform you also that when it's coming to land, the camera goes down obviously, and then it uprights itself, so it's doing that as well. That's another good thing. That went all right, I think. Yeah, I mean, obviously at the end with the follow me, I'm still having issues with that. And I can remember yonks ago, I used to have a Lenovo tablet, really cheap tablet, didn't cost me a lot, and it was amazing. And then I think it was to do with Litchi as well. It was something to do with the GPS. Now I'm not too sure. It should be, because I have no problems with them having Evo with the follow. But anyway, if anybody could help me on that. As far as I know, what it's saying really is the GPS signal. It needs a GPS signal, and nothing seems to be working right on that. But everything else, you know, the portrait, as you saw, we saw the zoom, you can do stuff now, auto record and things like that, which was pretty good, because I didn't even know where it was until I went through the settings. But remember guys, this is not me, this update is still not public. I'm a Litchi beta tester. Can they trust me with it? But I'd like to pass on how it's progressing. I wouldn't have thought there's too much more to go now, but it's interesting. I'm getting a little bit, little by little. What I have noticed is, obviously with the Litchi Pilot, when it's out, when it's made known to the public, is it the matrix? I think there's a matrix. I put that there because there's a few things that you can do with the Litchi Pilot when it's obviously been out to the public. And the other thing is, what's the cost going to be? Is it going to be free, or is it you're going to have to pay for it? I got a feeling you're going to have to pay for it. You've got to pay for the Drone Link one. You've got to pay for the Mavic Evo one, because these are obviously for newer drones. So, if you're Litchi Pilot out there, because I can't be the only one doing this, even though I haven't seen anybody putting any videos up. Yeah, just send me your info. It'd be great to hear from you guys. But everybody else is finding it interesting. Anyway, as always, there's going to be another video coming right soon. Yeah.